friends. So you all know who I am. No? I am Mr. Awesome Sauce. I eat sauce every day. So my mother had gone to Delhi and Hamlin's. So she bought me a Shifu jam. I don't know what this is. So let's open it. So yeah. So we get a app activation code inside. Ooh, let's read it. Free app. Download Shifu app from Google Play Store or blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. So and we get a mobile stand. So it gives us three settings to set our mobile. So the first one is 60 degree, second one is 68 degree, and the third one is 75 degree. And we also get we also get some I want to be cards. So for example, there is a director, a policeman. So let me read the app activation code. Download Shifu app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. To activate, scan the front of your Shifu box with the app. Scan the cards with the app to experience the magic of augmented reality. So it is not written which app, but here it is written that we need to download Play Shifu. It has 4.5 stars and it is available on App Store, Play Store, Amazon, Flipkart. Download app to try it free demo. So I start my mobile. Let me enter the password. So you all see that first I have downloaded the app, but you can download the app. You will search Play Shifu and you have to download AR cards by Play Shifu. So we open this. So it opens. So now we place our finger on activate your box. So it says choose the one that you have purchased. So I have purchased the Play Shifu Champs. So this is Shifu Wildlife, this is Shifu Cosmos, and this is Shifu Safari. This is Shifu Wildlife again, and Shifu Space, and Shifu Ride. And this is Shifu Fusion, and this is Shifu Galaxy, and here it is, Shifu Champs. So let's activate. We got all these three cards. Boop, boop, boop. Yes. Now we have to enter our email address. So let me enter. Sign up. So I have entered my email address. So it is actor, acts in a play, astronomer. So it's loading. So if you will Danny, it will not allow us to play. So we allow. So proceed. Remember to stay aware of your physical surroundings while playing AR games, and let your parents know if you feel sick or nauseous. So we start playing. And see, the app doesn't work without camera and or storage process. Please allow camera access to play. Allow permission. So you allow permission. So proceed, start playing. So what we do that 20 cards. A designer, a athlete, a chef, a scientist, a journalist, a programmer, a musician, an actor, a paleontologist, a soldier, a singer, a pilot, a judge, a photographer, an astronaut, an author, an engineer, a police, and a director. So let me spread the cards so you all can see. So I have spread all cards. So now I'll choose paleontologist. So here, see, I keep the card in front of it, and it scans, and it shows the 3D form of the paleontologist, and we can learn also.
Hello from Mr. Bones, the paleontologist. Lucky to find this dinosaur skeleton here. He digs in the dirt to find clues about history.
So these are paleontologists, and we can also spell. We pop the balloons.
P-A-L-E-O-N-D-O-L-O-G-Y. Paleontologist.
Now,
Good job.
we can also do it without cards. We go to library mode, and we can select any, like actor.
Actor.
And my favorite one, astronaut.
Astronaut.
An athlete,
Athlete.
an author, chef,
Designer.
a designer, and many more. So bye my friends, I will see you tomorrow.